Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room show, and my string of bad luck continues. Look at this. I just tried to log on to Amazon, and this is what I get. Our website is currently unavailable while we make some improvements to our service. This is at noontime. We'll be open for business again soon. Please come back shortly to try again. Thank you for your patience. My string of bad luck just continues and continues. What I was going to show you, and maybe it'll come back up here while I'm talking. Let's see, let's do a refresh. I've never seen this screen. This is crazy. And it doesn't really say anything about what Amazon. So I'm not even sure I'm on the Amazon website. Maybe they've been hacked. What is going on? Let me, let's see. Let me go to just a blank page, and I'll type in Amazon. Maybe my link got trashed. Okay, there's Amazon. I guess that's it. I guess that link is trashed. Nope. Let's close that down then. I don't know what that's about. Anyway, what I want to show you is I just got, let me look at orders, and this guy right here. I just got this radio in. And it has pretty good, it has 31 ratings, and it's got a 4 out of 5 stars. It's an AM/FM shortwave radio with a built-in big rechargeable battery. It's 1200 milliamp hours, and you can use D-cell batteries in case that's dead. So I thought, well, I'm going to try this out, even though it's an analog tuner. There's a close-up. So I got that this morning, and I opened the box, and I knew I was in trouble. The bubble wrap that fits right around the radio itself inside the box from the manufacturer was wrinkled. That's usually an indication that it's been taken out of the box and put back in and not put in neatly, meaning probably a return unit. So I said, well, let's go on. No manual. I knew I was in trouble when there was no manual. And so I thought, well, it's pretty straightforward. It probably doesn't need a manual. So I put 2 brand new D-size battery in it. Nothing. Not a peep out of it. No hiss, no nothing. So I thought, well, maybe the circuitry that does the switching between the internal battery and external battery has to have some kind of charge on it. So I charged it for a while. Nothing, dead. So I just returned it. I mean, that's one thing about Amazon. It's easy to return. I slapped it back in the box, got online, said I'm going to return it, got the mailing label printed out, slapped it on the box, took it to UPS, done. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to review this. Now, I can tell you a few things about the look and feel. The thing was very heavy, even without the D-cell batteries, meaning the internal battery was pretty hefty. It has an analog dial. I can't hold it. I can't keep it open and point to it too. But the analog dial is, and it's AM, FM, shortwave. It's 2 shortwave bands. And the knob at the very top, sitting on the top, is the tuning knob. And the dial was a little skewed. You see those blue lines there at every so often, different frequency. When you moved the dial and got to those blue lines, it was not straight across. So the dial was crooked. The other thing that bothered me is, notice on the side there, it says TV. Why would it say TV? This is FM, AM, shortwave 1 and 2. And it says like the TV channels, which used to be up in, I think, 50 megahertz, thereabouts. So it's like the gets were different and they changed the external. So I was not too happy that it didn't work, and I don't think I would be happy it did. Although, if I go back here, look at all these, it's 4 stars. It's got 57% are 5 stars, and then they're kind of spread out. 11% and 1% are 2 stars and 1 stars are 11% each. That's a total of 22%. That's a pretty high number. So I don't know how it gets 4 out of 5 stars. 31 ratings. I did I did send in a question saying that I didn't get the manual. Do I have to have the internal battery fully charged for the backup batteries to work initially? And one gentleman replied very quickly. He said, no, you don't have to. Well, so this one that I got is broke, and I'm not going to order another one. Just want to get it refunded. Move on to something else. Sorry, I don't like to do negative reviews, but even if this worked, I don't think I would like it with that tuning knob on the top and the dial that didn't move very smoothly, and the fact of the marking of the TV channels. That sounds like this is an old case. Anyway, that's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.